Oh, it's an absolute beautiful morning. I don't know if you can hear all the roosters crowing. Some howler monkeys going in the background. The mornings are nice here because all the launches haven't gotten out yet. And it's nice and quiet and calm. Except the trucks are already starting to come over the bridge. Good morning, friend. When we bought this boat, it had the product on it. It's an artificial teak that's all on the surface called Flexiteek. And it looks great. It was one of the main reasons we wanted to buy this boat. It makes it look a lot more modern than the sister ships of the same age. And when the previous owner had it put on, he had it all installed in the winter in Massachusetts, and when we brought it south to tropical weather, specifically when we got to Florida with it, it started cracking, and the seams where they put it together came separated because the sun just caused the plastic to shrink up. It was still under warranty at the time, and we reached out to the Flexiteek Corporation, but they wouldn't honor the warranty and said that it was because we had washed it with non-approved soaps, which was ridiculous because everywhere in the cockpit, everywhere where it wasn't in direct sunlight is still perfect. There's no problems at all, no splitting, no shrinking, but everywhere that was on the outside deck, it shrunk up to a point where it made the seam separate, and then the product shrunk to where it was just distorted and looked terrible. Now that since we're in Guatemala, we decided to have it all stripped up and have the entire surface sanded down and re-gel coated. And then we don't really know the condition of the deck until I get it up and see where it's exposed, and to see what kind of repairs are going to have to be done. I know this door, Tammy, I pulled it up a while back, and it's got a lot of the gel coat that's cracked and chipping up, so it all has to be sanded off. But it's kind of sad, but it'll look really good when it's all done. But it's going to take about 2 months to get the whole job done. We've got 7 people working up here on the boat today. No, 8 people. 3 mechanics are fixing to pull the second engine, and buenos dias. And these guys are cutting all the patterns for the new non-skid, and they've got all of the teak hold up. Buenos dias, Carlos.
Buenos dias, amigo.
You and me, nobody, baby, but you and me, you and me, you and me, nobody, baby, but you and me. If the stars don't shine, if the moon won't rise, if I never see the setting sun again, you won't hear me cry. This I'll testify.
Like you're hot.
Well, yeah, it's not very cold in here, but it's got to be done, so painting the bilge for the engine's out is the easy way to do it.
Yeah.
I painted it several times with the engine in, though.
They're dropping.
good driver. Yes.
Oh, well, the valley sure is wide. What you gonna find on the other side? You walk through the desert and you fall to your knees. You come to a spring, say thank you and please. You can't get to heaven by working so hard, and all you know is a rambling heart, a rambling heart, your rambling heart. You're so blue, won't you tell me why? Then the breeze whispered through the trees. I saw the face of the wind and the rustling